the machine operates and functions exactly the same way as your old one did. Cartridge goes in here the same way. Clear jams the same way.
Okay.
You add sealer solution the exact same way. You weigh at the top just like the other one. You guys did not purchase this little printer here,
Yeah.
so we're not going to be concerned with anything but print on envelopes.
Okay.
This is the home screen. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on so you can see what happens. You don't ever have to turn it off. It'll stay on all the time. But if it does, to try to turn it off, you hold the button.
If the power goes out in the building, it can always turn it back on. Because it's going to power off anyway.
Right. If you want to power it off, you hold the button down for 10 seconds.
Oh, okay.
If you want to power it up, you just touch the button and it'll boot itself up.
Okay.
And I set it up exactly like the other machine with the same 3 accounts, same everything.
Okay.
It's really even a little more simple than the other one to operate.
Okay, seems a little sleeker. We're going to do a little test drive?
Sure. Now, do you normally seal mail through it?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't put any fluid in it.
Oh, no.
Sometimes no, but I don't.
Most of the time, no.
Okay,
Yeah.
then whenever
We're
you
good.
need to seal it, you can put
We can put it in
Yeah, it's clear. You just put fluid in it and fill it up.
there. Okay, cool.
And it's going to boot straight to this screen, and then you hit, print on envelopes.
Weigh it.
Give it just a second.
Okay.
Yep. Normally you don't have to do this. It'll be on all the
Yeah,
time.
that's fine.
But at this point, it's exactly like your other one. You just weigh it.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot run mail without selecting an account. So we'll do Homecare.
Yeah.
And then it's just like your other one. You run the mail through
Okay.
left to right. If you want to seal the mail, you put the flap behind it, just like the other one.
Okay.
So it's all exactly the same, except it does have some other options. If you put something heavy on the scale, it's going to give you this error message that says class not found. Well, the reason for that is
The way we said it.
no, the post office has created a package services to try to compete with UPS and FedEx, so they won't let it do it automatically. The old one would select priority mail for you. This one you have the option of priority mail or package services, ground advantage, heavyweight. Put in a zip code, and then it'll be $9.50. Or you always have the option of doing it manually, say in priority mail, envelope package. Enter a zip code. Just saves you a little bit of money, ground advantage. But the one thing, since you guys do a lot of pharmaceuticals, right?
Not from here. Not from
If
here.
you send something certified mail, you need to send it priority instead of ground advantage. There is, on ground advantage, there's only signature required. There's no certified. So if you do a lot of certified mail, you want to use priority anyway.
That's it. How do you do that?
You just hit reset to default. This is the home screen, but you don't really need to even go there. Just leave it there.
Okay.
What'll happen is after about 7 minutes, the screen will go black and a clock will be bouncing around.
Yeah.
After about 20 minutes after that, the screen will go black and this button will turn orange. You just touch the button and it wakes itself up. See the error message where it says printer cover open?
Yeah.
It'll say low ink. And this will be yellow and it'll say low ink. Just keep running until it turns red and says out of ink. And there'll be a little button over here. You touch it and it'll move it forward so you can change.
And the way we load money, I'm sure they do that
It's
the
the
same
exact
way.
same way. You just touch postage balance, refill postage. It'll go out and check.
Okay, I see.
And you can put any denomination up to the 10,163 that you want to. Type it in. 200's default, but if you
Yes.
want 1,000, you can put 1,000.
Sure.
We have a resettable counter, so if you're running a whole tray of mail and you know there's 54 pieces in it, and you need to, you can reset the counter and run it all, and then
Okay,
verify
well,
that you did
that's good
54
to know
pieces.
too, yeah.
If you want to do things manually, such as first class metered letter, let's say I want a postcard, I just touch it. And if I want to go back and hit start over, I can go first class international letter to Canada. And the other machine required you to put in the inscriptions and all of that, or the post office would do it for you. But this meter does it all for you automatically.
Nice, okay.
If you want certified, so you touch here. Now your first class retail metered letter, certified, return receipt, apply.
Okay.
After 2 minutes, it's going to go back to default on its own. But get in the habit of hitting
Yeah,
reset
the
to default.
reset, yeah, that takes you all the way back other than home.